Imagine living each day of your life with limited or no access to a toilet, bathroom, or running water. Unfortunately, this is still a reality for 3.6 billion people around the world, with 1.6 billion living in urban informal settlements. Rapid urbanization in most developing countries has far outpaced the provision of essential services, leaving billions of people with limited access to basic services necessary for their day-to-day living. Today, the urban poor live in communities where human waste is dumped into the environment and water bodies. As a result, diseases related to poor sanitation continue to claim millions of lives each year, perpetuating cycles of poverty and exacerbating climate change.
Fresh Life is a leading provider of non-sewered urban sanitation. Over the last 13 years, we have established one of the largest networks of safely managed pro-poor non-sewered sanitation globally, serving over 260,000 people through a network of 7,500 toilets in Nairobi, Kisumu, Eldoret, and Lusaka, Zambia. Fresh Life also manages the waste of approximately 50,000 people through our Mtaa Fresh transfer stations. The private sector cannot scale non-sewered sanitation alone. The high initial costs and long-term maintenance expenses associated with sanitation against unclear returns often deters private sector investment. We need innovative financing mechanisms and a collaborative approach by the government and other stakeholders to achieve long-term impact.
Today we're pleased to launch the first model of results-based financing mechanism for urban non-sewered sanitation in Kenya. Results-based financing is an approach to funding where payments are based on the achievement of predefined results. The approach rewards performance, efficiency, and sustained impact in service delivery, which Fresh Life has a proven track record of. This mechanism will focus on the growth and sustainability of our services by tracking the number of container-based toilets installed in Nairobi, the total number of toilets being actively used, and the amount of pit latrine waste diverted from the environment through collection at Mtaa Fresh centers. This first-of-a-kind mechanism is currently funded by Grand Challenges Canada and Osprey Foundation and has received immense support from social finance.
We have been proud supporters of Fresh Life since 2019, supporting their efforts to provide low-income urban communities with accessible and affordable sanitation. Fresh Life's model is a perfect example of how innovation can drive meaningful change. We have seen firsthand how their solutions are improving lives, and this approach is an important complement to the existing sewer-based sanitation solutions currently being provided by the government.
In order for Fresh Life to grow even further, they need to use a results-based financing mechanism. We like the mechanism because it focuses on the outcomes that matter to the people that Fresh Life serves, as well as the communities where they work. The metrics here include the number of households with better sanitation services, as well as the amount of human waste that's managed safely.
We are excited by this initiative because we believe RBF is a pathway to scaling with the government, and it will create the runway to public-private sector service contracts for urban sanitation.
We invite other partners to help expand the reach and impact of Fresh Life's work, ensuring that more communities in Kenya can benefit from improved sanitation and better health for all. We know the results will speak for themselves.